step into the 2015 Chevrolet Cruze LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include turbocharged, front-wheel drive, power steering, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, MP3 player, Bluetooth connection, auxiliary audio input and satellite radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.